Didn't know your name, didn't know we'd meet. Like a whisper drifting through the dark, you appeared and left a fire in my heart.
I keep replaying every little sign, wondering how your path crossed mine. A stranger yesterday, a dream tonight.
Now you're the only thing that's on my mind. I was running through the city with my headphones on, focused on my future, moving all night long. Never thought somebody could change my direction, never thought I'd lose control of my reflection. You smiled for a second and the world slowed down. Every busy sound disappeared from town. Something in your eyes felt familiar somehow, like I've known you so, but I'm meeting you now.
I don't know your story, don't know where you've been, but every conversation pulls me deeper in. You got me asking questions I never asked before. Every little answer makes me want you more.
Maybe you're a miracle,
Maybe you're a mystery,
maybe you're the chapter that was
missing from my history.
I don't know what this is, but I know what I feel. Every moment with you feels impossibly real.
Are you ghost lover?
Walking through my dreams tonight.
Are you heart stealer? Turning darkness into light.
You came from nowhere, now you're everywhere. Living in my thoughts, floating through the air.
Ghost lover, I can't let you go. The more I learn, the less I know. Ghost lover, stay close to me. You started as a mystery,
Oh,
now you're my destiny. I remember seeing you across the room, like a beam of sunlight cutting through the gloom. Tried to tell